Welcome back to Mech Tech Bro. If you are new here, make sure you have watched all the previous parts of the JavaScript for Beginner Series, part 1 to part 5.2, so you can follow along smoothly. This is part 6 and we are continuing our journey to make JavaScript super easy and beginners friendly. So sit tight and learn step by step. And before we start, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Mech Tech Bro for more tech and coding tutorials. Today's topic is about loops. A loop in JavaScript is used to repeat a block of code multiple times until a certain condition becomes false. And loops helps to avoid writing the same code again and again. There are types of loops as you can see here: for loop, while loop and do while loop. But today I will explain about for loop. A for loop repeats a code a specific number of times. We use it when we know the exact number of iterations. Don't worry, I will explain you guys properly by using an example in Visual Studio Code. First, let me use a single line comment here for writing a heading for loop. For loop. Um, okay, let me explain you what is for loop. See here, a for loop repeats a code a specific number of times. We use it when we know the exact number of iterations. That is what the for loop is. Don't worry, I will explain you clearly by using a simple example. First, let me write the syntax here. First, let me write the syntax for you can see here it's a for loop for, and inside that initialization. Initialization, and here I am providing condition, and increment. Okay, as you can see here, and this for code runs here. Okay, code runs here. This is the syntax of for loop. Don't worry, let me provide a single line comment here for your understanding syntax. Okay, this is the syntax, just note it down. Don't worry, I will explain you clearly by using a simple example. First, let me show you. Let me provide a multi-line comment here. Let me provide a multi-line comment. Let me use the asterisk. For closing this multi-line comment, I am using asterisk and slash. Okay. First, let me explain you with example 1. I want to print number 1 to 5. Okay. For printing number 1 to 5, let me use a single line comment here. Print number, print numbers 1 to 5. 1 to 5. Okay, this is the first example I am going to show you. First, let me write the code, then I will explain you clearly what is that code about. Okay, for let I equal to 1. Okay, then I is less than or equal to 5. And next one is I plus plus. Okay, don't worry, I will explain you clearly. First, let me write the code. I plus plus. Console.log log I. Okay. Yeah. First, let me explain you what is this code about. See here, it prints number 1 to 5. See here, for I is let I equal to 1. I let I equal to 1 means loop starts at 1. Then I is less than or equal to 5 means it runs while I is 5 or less. Okay. Then I plus plus means it's an increment. It increased I by 1 each time. Then console.log I means it prints I. Now let me explain you clearly here. See here, I have provided 1. As you can see here, it's a initialization. I equal to 1 is initialization, and the condition rule I have provided is I is less than or equal to 5. This is the condition rule. And the third one is increment, which is I plus plus. Okay. Now let me explain you step by step how it plays. See here, I is 1. See, I is 1, right? So 1 is less than or equal to 5. So it prints I. So it prints what? 1. Then it increments with 1 by each time. So I plus 1 means I is 1. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Okay. So then I is equal to 2. Then 2 is less than or equal to 5, right? So it prints 2, and 2 it prints after printing 2 it increments to 2 plus 1. Every time, each time it increases plus with plus 1. Okay. Then it's 3. Then 3 I equal to 3. Then 3 is less than or equal to 5, right? So it prints 3. Then 3 plus 1. It's the increment, right? 3 plus 1. Every time, each time it increases by 1. So now it's 4. Now let I equal to 4, and 4 is less than or equal to 5, right? So it prints 4. Then it increases I plus plus means it increment every time by 1. So it prints 4. Then 4 plus 1 is 5. Then 5 is less than or equal to 5, right? Then it prints 5. Then it goes to increment. Then 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 is actually not less than or equal to 5. It's actually greater than 5, right? Then loop stops. So it doesn't print 6 here. Now you guys can check here. Let me run the code. Go to index.html. Right click. Open with the live server. Right click. Inspect. Go to console. Now check here. It prints 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's not printing 6 because 6 is greater than 5. So the loop stops here. Suppose if I want to print till 10, then I is less than or equal to 10. Okay. Run the code. Now check here. It prints till it goes to 10. It doesn't cross 10. Okay. As you can see here. This is what for loop example 1. Let me explain with the for loop one more example. Let's print even numbers from 2 to 10. Okay. Okay. Let me write by using a single line comment here. Print even numbers from 2 to 10. Print numbers 2 to 10. Okay. Now check here. For let me provide initialization. Let I equal to 2. Okay. Let I equal to 2. Then I less than or equal to 10. It goes till 10. Then it stops. It's the condition rule I have provided. Okay. Then now I am providing I plus equal to 2 because here what it increases I by 1 each time here. Here I am providing I increases each time by 2. So I plus or equal to 2. Okay. Now console.log. console dot log I. Okay, you guys can take J also, not an issue. Okay, no problem. Let me take this one and run the code here. Check here. Okay, it's 2 4 6 8 10. Let me explain you what is this code about. I am using for loop. Let I equal to 2. It's a loop starts at 2. Then I is less than or equal to 10, means it runs while I is 10 or less. Okay, then I plus equal to 2 means it adds plus 2 every time. It prints only even numbers. Okay, now see here, suppose, let me run this code. Now check here, go to index.html, right click, open with the live server, right click, inspect. Now you go to console. Now you guys can check here, 2 4 6 8 10. Okay, let me use the multi-line comment here for your understanding. I am providing multi-line comment to this one, first example. Okay, now let me run the code. Now you guys can check here, 2 4 6 8 10. Suppose if you guys want to get even numbers till 50, so each time it will have to increase by plus 2, right? Same way, if the code is the same, let's instead of 10 use the 50 here. Okay, now run the code. Now check here, you guys can check here, 2 4 6 8 10 12 14 16 18 20 22 24 26 28 30 32 34 36 38 40 42 44 46 48 50. So these are the even numbers till 50. Okay, I hope you guys understand second example of the for loop. Just practice it well, you guys can understand properly. If you enjoyed the content in today's video, please like, share and subscribe. It motivates me to create more videos. Thank you.